Hi YouTube, I am George. It's been a month so quickly, and again I will show you my houseplant tour, and this time in January 2018. So let's start with cala. This cala plant I find it recently on the street and planted and survived, and another beautiful leaf it growing and was grow this leaf beautiful leaves. Oh my god, so beautiful and good plant. I hope will bloom, but I don't know when. And this, oh my god, so beautiful leaves it have. Look, oh my god, this I have for many years, and I replanted it in the fall, and now it's so beautiful, extremely beautiful, growing fast, yeah. And these babies from this I propagated and planted together there, and beautiful too, and so exciting. This plant I found the name is Aeschinanthus Mona Lisa, and one subscriber helped me to find the name, so thank you so much if you see this video. And that it have new growth there, but there was stopped to grow. And anyway, beautiful plant. Lucky bamboo, there some grows on this leaf we can see during a month, and so exciting. Look, fantastic, beautiful and fantastic. This is pelargonium, and I have two pelargonium plants, this and this one, and both are the same, and it make red flowers, and we'll see when will bloom. And another pelargonium, another variety, and already not growing, it's resting now, and will grow in the spring, I think. I don't wet it so much in the winter time. And that's African violets doing very well. This mother plant was coming back and was growing new leaf, and so happy I am. And I have one flower there, it's a beautiful flower. One of these African violets I gave it to my grandmother, was her Brittany, and I don't need so many African violets. I need many, but different varieties, but these all are the same variety, and I will give them someone in my city. Physalis, I cut the physalis and will grow from there, and so look at the moment, but it's okay. Solanum, this is so beautiful, and this fruit was ripe and look amazing. And I wait for new flowers, but I don't know when will bloom, maybe in spring, so waiting for the spring. Kinese rose, this I call, and this I grow it to a window, and it have flower buds, lots of flower buds, and you can see there. Soon will bloom, and I will make special video when it will bloom. And another flower bud there, beautiful form it have, and I have not watered it, and so look at the leaves now, but will come back soon, like this. This I grow it as a bonsai. Calesia fragrance is doing okay on this period of time, and maybe was grow some but slowly, because it does not have so much light, and I have so many plants and I don't have lights for all plants. But when it in summer, I move my plants outside, and this I move to a window to a lights, and in the summer this will grow so beautiful. But anyway, so beautiful too. This time of year, and maybe was grow this leaf and this leaf or this some leaves growing, and I happy for that. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, put like and share. I am George, and bye.